Passion to Excel now being loaded. All set now, ready to race. We started with Queen Mamba. First to show quickness at the start, moving upon the outside. Passion to Excel. Bush Carnival in the middle. Material World comes next. Then followed by Perfect Choice Go. Dodgers go next on. Then is Justin. It's Blues. Find Happiness while Material Ruler is the early trailer. And going along for the first turn, we have Queen Mamba. In the middle portion comes Bush Carnival. Passion to Excel is on the outside. Position fourth belongs to Perfect Choice. Then followed by Justin. It's Blues. Material World comes next. Find Happiness. Alongside comes Go Dodgers Go while Material Ruler is still running at the tail of the field. Down the back stretch they travel with Passion to Excel. Moves by about half length. Queen Mamba just and it's Blues moving up in the middle portion. Then followed by Bush Carnival. Perfect Choice. Material World comes next. Find Happiness. Down on the inside comes Material Ruler, or rather entry number 6 Spanish Ruler. And Diana entering the home stretch with just and it's Blues maintaining a length and a half lead. Moving up on the outside now is entry number 3, and this one is Material World. We have Material World now moves out to take the lead, and on the outside comes entry number 2, and this one is Find Happiness. Material World, Find Happiness on the outside, but it's still Material World. Find Happiness, Perfect Choice, then comes Justin at Blues.
3, 2, 8, and 5.